D Bloom here, and today in this video I am going to show you how to create a form in Aweber and then take that form and forward it to a GoDaddy domain. Now I'm going to use GoDaddy only because I find it the easiest to do any domain forwarding. So if you're not using GoDaddy, you're going to have to Google it and figure out the way you forward the domain for whatever server it is. With that being said, let's get started. I create all my forms in Aweber, and today we're going to do a form for YT Explosion. So I already have a list set up, and if you don't know how to do this, I strongly suggest you go to Google or YouTube and search it. There are plenty of tutorials showing you how to actually get your list set up. Once your list is set up, you need to click on this button right here, Sign Up Forms. When you click on this button, if it is your very first time that you are creating a sign-up form, you're not going to see this. You're going to see a little window that says create a sign-up form. And you can create as many sign-up forms for each one of your lists as you would like to. So I've already created a form here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. This is what my form looked like. I'm going to create a different form so that I have a few. And what I'm going to do is, just to make it easy, is I'm just going to copy this particular form and kind of edit it and change it. That makes it so much easier for me. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this picture. Okay, and actually I probably should show you how to do this from scratch. So let's start all over here. Sign up forms. Okay, and we're going to delete this one because I want to show you from scratch. So we are going to create a sign up form. And the first thing that I like to do is I like to take a very, very basic, I go into the popular, and this very basic modern form is the one that I use. And depending on the color scheme of what I'm promoting, I choose one of these. And since YT Explosion Code has red and black and white, I'm just going to click this and I'm going to load my template. Now, I don't like to have these things here, okay? So I erase those. But what I do need to do is I need to add an image. So I'm going to click this, and right here is where you can upload an image. Now we need to find an image that we are going to load up. So what I have done already is I use a website called Image Shack. And on Image Shack, you can literally go up, sign in through Facebook. I mean, I'm already logged in, but if I were to go right to Image Shack, it would say log in with Facebook. And that's exactly what I do. So I'm logged in with Facebook. I use this a lot to host a lot of my images. It's free, and I like it a lot. So you can upload it either from your computer or if you have a URL from the web, you can upload it that way. So let's do it that way, and let's go search YT Explosion Code and look at images and see if we can find anything that we want to use that's different. Okay, I'm not using this one, so I think I'm going to take this one, and I can literally open it, and I like to open the image in a new tab to make sure that I like the way it looks. And there it is. Now this is a long image, and you have to make sure that it's going to end in a, wow, in a JPG or PNG, but man, this is a long one. So you know what I'm going to do, because it's going to make it a lot easier. I am going to find a different picture and actually save it on my computer, because this one had a really strange URL. So I'm going to go, and I think I have one on my computer, and I'm going to browse my desktop and just look to see what I have here. I know that I have a YT explosion picture here. Okay, I like this one. Okay, so I'm going to put this one in right here. And I'm going to upload it. And once it's uploaded, it's going to give me a URL, and I'm going to show you how to get that URL so you can upload it into your form. So you're going to click to the image links. You're going to view the image. And here you have a URL that you are going to copy. You're going to go back to your sign-up forms. And you had created this place for an image, and there's this little box that says URL. And that's exactly where you want to paste the URL of your image that you just uploaded. It will generate and populate here, and you can click Save. Now, obviously, you need to resize the rest of this so that it fits. Okay, so now we have a nice looking form here, and we are just going to add some text. And the way you add text is you just click on the little box, and you can write whatever it is you want. So, video marketers, put attention. Learn how to explode your video marketing like never before. Get on my email list so you will be the first to know when we officially launch as a JVZoo affiliate product on December 2nd, 2013. Okay, I'm just going to hit save. I may want to actually do a little, I like to center it. And I may want to resize it so it looks a little bit better. Okay. All right, that's going to look a little bit better. And then you can say invitation for action takers to join our pre-launch. Be sure to enter your name and email so we can keep you informed. Now, I'm not sure if I like this. This is just for the purposes of creating a form with you. Okay, so I have this, I have that, okay? Make sure you save your form and then keep moving along. Go to step 2, name your form. I'm going to say this is YT Explosion. This is my second form. Now this is the important part. This is where they're going to go. Where do you want them to click to after they do this? Now right now we don't have a JVZoo. We do not have a JVZoo link that's active, so you can do one of two things. You can send them to a video, or you can send them to a Facebook page that you've created on Facebook. So I've done a little bit of both, but I'm going to, again, go to my YouTube. I've made a couple really neat videos, and I'm just going to go and click into, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to click into my playlist. I made a playlist on YouTube for YT Explosion Code. So let me just go to my playlist right now. Here we go, YT Explosion Code. And if I click this, I have a whole playlist, and that will just take them to all of my videos. So that's actually really good. So what I'm going to do is go over here. This is where they're going to go. You got to click down. You got to make it a custom URL and erase the HTTP if you're going to paste, and put your new URL, and then hit I like to open it in a new window, hit save your form, go to step 3, and look, right here you have a URL, and this is what my capture page looks like. So now we have a capture page, but you don't want to put this URL all over. It kind of looks funny. So what you can do is you can go buy a domain name. Now I've already set this up with the domain, and I just actually bought a different domain that I'm going to show you how to actually do the forwarding. So if you have GoDaddy, you're going to log in. I'm already logged in, and you're going to go to visit your account, and you're going to find the domain that you want. I have a lot of domains, so don't mind me. I like to buy them when they're 99 cents and whatnot. And I just bought, let's see, something like Bloomers or Success with Bloomer, I think. So let's see if okay, Success with Bloomer. I haven't done anything. So what you're going to do here is you're going to launch the site. This is a brand new domain that I just purchased. And hold on there, I'm going to turn off the phone. And right now I'm going to go scroll down here to where it says forward. And I'm going to hit manage. And right now you are not forwarding this domain, so I'm going to add one now. Click this little blue button. And right here it says add forwarding. They already have the HTTP, so I'm just going to paste my form. This is the form. I copied it. I think I copied it. Oops, no I didn't. Sorry, that's the YouTube playlist. So I'm just actually going to go over to the form, copy this right here, and in the domain details, I'm going to paste that. But I have to be careful because I don't want the HTTP there twice. So you got to just delete that, okay? And then you want to make sure that you're forwarding with masking. And the reason why is when you do that, you can actually title it to optimize your site. I'm not going to do this because I don't want to do this for YT Explosion, but I will show you what I did. I'm just going to put Success with Bloomer because that is what this title is. I will show you what I did. Okay, and it's going to take some time, but I will show you what I did going back to all my domains for the domain for the YT Explosion. So here's my YT Explosion, and you can see that I did some forwarding here. And if I go and I update my forwarding, you could see that I actually put a title, YT Explosion, I put a little bit of a description, and I put some keywords on here. And that way it will also help you with your SEO and research. So that is how you do that when it's all said and done, and you go to get YT Explosion code. There we have it. This is my form. I actually, the one that I just did, let's see, Success with Bloomer.com. I don't know if it actually took yet. We'll see. Oh, it did. Oh, no, it didn't. But it will take maybe anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, and then it will be all set for you. So this is one way that you can start to generate leads so that you can keep your list in you can keep connecting with your list and let them know what's going on with YT Explosion as we get closer and closer to the launch. Get your domains, get your forms, and let's rock this YT Explosion code. This is Cindy Bloom, and I will see you on Facebook.